Today we will see how passion fruit squash is made. The process begins with collecting the fruits from the farm. The passion fruits are washed by hand with the fresh water. After that, the fruits pass through the cutting process. Now collecting its juicy interior filled with numerous seeds. The juice passes through quality control test. The bottles are filling with juice using the auto filler. Now the cap attaches to the bottle using hand-held plastic bottle cap sealing. Then the label is attached to the bottle. Now the bottle cap sealed with heat shrink. The juice bottles are packed by hand. Finally, the juice is ready for the customers.